My name's Neil Mackenzie. I'm the Managing Director and Founder of Halton Stairlifts. We've been established since 2007 and we're a nationwide independent stairlift company. We have a database of up to 100 contractors spread across the UK that we can attend call-outs within 24 hours if required. As an independent family-run company, we offer the best deals that's suited to the customer and not to ourselves. We're not restricted to brands, so we can offer the best stairlift for the best budget available. We can offer 0% finance on any straight or curved stairlift from our product range. We offer a free, no obligation home site assessment where we'll come in, measure up and make sure that the stairlift will fit safely to any staircase. Once our installation is complete, the engineer will give you a full demonstration whilst handing the stairlift over. The company were BHTA approved, trading standards, FIFO and Checkatrade. If you'd like to look at our reviews online, simply go to Checkatrade or FIFO. Call our friendly team today for a free no obligation quotation.